Our today's question is from arithmetic progression. The question is, if the pth, qth and rth terms of an AP are A, B and C respectively, then show that A into Q minus R plus B into R minus P plus C into P minus Q would be equals to 0. So what we have? It is given the pth term. So pth term is given A. Now what is pth term? Pth term means first term plus P minus 1 into D, where A is the first term and D is the common difference, is equal to A. Since we know the formula for nth term is A plus n minus 1 into D, where A is the first term, n is number of terms for which one you are finding out, D is the common difference. Since already A is there, so we have taken this first term as capital A. So TP is A, which implies A plus P minus 1 D is equal to A. Qth term, qth term is given B. To qth term is B. That means A plus Q minus 1 into D is equal to B. T rth term is equal to C. That means A plus R minus 1 into D is equal to C. Here the N is R. Now we have to prove A into Q minus R. So this into Q minus R. Now A into Q minus R plus B into R minus P plus C into P minus Q. So with A means this entire is A. With this, if I multiply Q minus R, so this Q minus R will get multiplied with this as well as with this. So we can write this as A is this, A into Q minus R plus P minus 1 into Q minus R D. This is A into Q minus R. I have written separately. This is entire is A. With this I am multiplying Q minus R. So this Q minus R is getting multiplied with A into Q minus R plus Q minus R into this, P minus 1 into Q minus R into D. Similarly, for the next term, B into R minus P. So B is this. With this I will multiply R minus P. So this will be A into R minus P plus R minus P into Q minus 1 into D plus C into P minus Q. So C means this, A into P minus Q plus R minus 1 into P minus Q into D. So this term and this term got A. So if I take A as common, so I am left out with Q minus R here plus R minus P here plus P minus Q. Now this term and this term has got D common. So I am taking D common. So I have got this into this. So P minus 1 into Q minus R. This will be PQ minus PR minus Q minus 1 into this plus R. From here, R into this plus QR minus R minus PQ plus P. Now this one plus P into R, PR minus QR minus P plus Q. Plus P minus P cancels. Plus R minus R cancels. Plus Q minus Q cancels. So this becomes 0. A into 0. Plus PQ. Plus PQ minus PQ cancels. Minus PR plus PR cancels. minus q plus q cancels. Plus qr minus qr cancels. Plus r minus r cancels. Plus p minus p cancels. This also gives me d into 0. So a into 0 is 0 plus d into 0 is 0. So this total is equal to 0, which is my, I need to prove. This is equals to my RHS, which I have moved with left hand side. This was my left hand side. I proved it equals to RHS. Hope you have followed the sum the way I have done it. I'll give you another sum to try.